In this video, I'm going to show you how to start mining Pi coin for free in just a few simple steps. And here's why you should definitely mine Pi coin. Pi is a promising cryptocurrency with huge potential for the future. All you need to mine Pi is your phone and the Pi app. It is completely free. No investment or tech skills are required. So here's how to start right now. First, open the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone. Search for Pi Network and download and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it and verify your identity with your phone number or with your Facebook. Here is an example how to do it with the phone number. Now enter your email address. Make sure to use your real email address because you will receive a verification email there. Then choose a password that you will use with the Pi network. Next, enter your first and last name and create a username. Make sure to use your real first and last name. Otherwise, you could lose the coins you mine. You need an invitation code to join. You are welcome to use my code, realek. Using an invitation code gives you a 25% boost to your mining rate. I will explain how to boost your mining rate even more in another video. Once you're signed up, tap the lightning button to start mining Pi coin. You should try to tap this button every 24 hours to keep mining all the time. That way you will earn more. To secure your account, go to the menu. Click on Profile and verify your email address. This ensures your Pi coin is safe and accessible in the future. And that's all. You're now part of the Pi network community, and you can mine Pi coin for free every day. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer your questions.